So good morning everyone. Welcome to my video tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to create forms and tables in database using PHP and mysql. First, you need to install SAMP and Sublime, and if you're done doing it, go to SAMP, start Apache, start mysql, then go to Google Chrome, type localhost, go to PHP admin. In PHP my admin, new, create database named honey. Table name, lin. Attributes for, then go. My first attributes would be ID. Length values 50 and the type is 50 and it should be auto increment so that it would be primary key. Next is first name. First name should be in type values varchar. Length 50. Last name varchar. Length values 50. And the age and length values is 20. Go. Next is go to Sublime. PHP. Close. I'm gonna save it first. Go to SAMP. Create new folder named honey. Open honey, then save. Type len.php. Save. Okay, let's start for coding. Error reporting. $sign server name. So it should be localhost. Username. So as you all know, it will be root. Password. DB name. So our DB name here is honey. So our first attribute would be ID. So let's put $sign then ID. First name, then $, last name, lastly is age. Next is mysql. I connect. This is for connection. MySQL I report error. MySQL report street. Try. Connect. MySQL connect. So in connection, there will be the server name, username, password, and the DB name. So catch exception $X. There is no connection. This would display error. Function get post. We use post here because post can transfer in browser into limited data. So post array. Post 0 $post ID. Is post 1 is post first name. So ID here was declared as 0 and first name declared as 1 and last name two, and is post lastly 3 for age. So return post. Save. Let's create form. So doc type HTML head. So form method post action lean.php, then label. So first is ID. So input type number ID. Next is label first name. Type would be text. So first name placeholder value. So div. Second is label last name. So input type text, name, last name, placeholder. So label age, input type should be number, because in our sum, age is integer. Next is, let's create button. First is insert, delete, update, and search. So if I set session div class message, so ID, first name, last name, age. So PHP server, localhost, root, DB name is honey. So query should be select asterisk from Lin. Lin is my table name. mysql fetch array. ID, first name, last name, age. So echo, if there is no records found, this would display no records found. Then end HTML. Save. Let's see how it looks like. Type localhost /honey /lin.php. This is now the output. Next is, what we're gonna do is we'll now insert data, but first we will create the save or insert code. If I say post insert, so query should insert into Lin. The location is lin.php. The insert result mysql query, connect insert query. If insert result if mysqli affected rows, there is affected rows, so this would display data inserted successfully. But if not, data not inserted, and if catch exception 6 echo error delete. Then save. Let's see. Go to Google. So refresh. Let's move one ID. First name is Honey. Last name is Lin. Age 17. Save. Oh, that is now the new output for save. Next is delete. If I set is $post delete, so data get post delete query, delete from Lin where ID data is served. Try delete result mysql query, connect delete query. If delete result so if mysql affected rows, connect this display data deleted successfully. If not, the display should be data not deleted. If there is an error, the display is error delete. Then we'll save it first. Let's see if our code is right. Let's try. Refresh first, then we'll delete Honey. Type 1, then delete all. So next is if I set is post update. So good morning everyone. So update query. Welcome to my video tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to create forms and tables in database using PHP and mysql. First, you need to install SAMP and Sublime, and if you're done doing it, data no updated. So then save. Let's see if we can update. Let's update. Type 4 Juby analyze age. We'll change it to 50. Click update. See. Lastly is search. If I set post search, data get post search query, select asterisk from Lin where ID equals 0. This will refresh now. Well, so ID rows ID first name row first name, last name $sign row last name. So yes, no data for this ID. Echo result error. Then save. Refresh. Then search for Juby. Then click. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.